press conference asok mani omana nirok sigo jeng TSF kedungma sabrong jeni movement temano te Roman script nati jeng khai pai 2020 ni sing kisa governor ni sing memorandum loga jang nirok mukhana aman borga jeng strida kokha board by malaika jeng memorandum to ya paring to haipana temano jaka government of Eshur khaika je borok sungno ronai ne sung tabo kemo e malai lia borok sungmai phaima malai ne sini students from the future thangsagai tongo sung ma businai sung thangsaga korang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sinima kha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko gro ko nga thangi tong sung nero ni support na guardians rock nero ni support na nero support khaya ke sini movement success ngla sung jotono no koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kokbrok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non kokbrok speakers omo nero ni fight nero mabusi nai sung kokbrok saya sung tangai khane bangke any movement success ngla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kokbrok sanaya haibana khaijaka bole harassment amu sung mabusi boni bagai TSF sung jebor pana sini je phan dongsa sung khaini dong thangnai strike khaibro bo sung sini leaders orjo to dona jotoni case masa kono thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian of mabusi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati busin mai sakai and our future generation thangnai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singai ni baksa sata pasi pore maya baga sunai ba borono roman script by phrungjaka government assure kai ka ba borbo waso kha yes roman script phrungpana khoi ba roman script ba yang nai tabok jeng appeal khainai TSF ready tango TSF basta hinga ni ready tango nirok logere taung amos ta patient public student logere taung boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dako kai tango sini TSF engai sum jota political party jota organization jota student organization joto borok nirona appeal khainai of movement no success khagen bage sung logo thugoi tongoi isime TSF no sime nai sagai of movement success ngla sung vision khare di khainai haibana nirona support karike movement bage success nai my dear student you should understand nirona bai sung fight khai tongo sung case pasai tongo nirok kirigei nogo tong tong han of movement success ngla guardian of mabusinai sung sika khana 21st March kokbrok paper 12 ni nga thangi tongo basa hongoi mana exam bahai ga ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tiprano hall musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khol ke sene haya niro public ma busina students niro dress kind of hadi sung loge tongo niro ma busina sung niro ni bagai sung je khaima saksini phan tok sak sung khaine tongo public rock especially we should understand tumangui dong sini movement tangai success nya 50 years na tangai sung ma busina boni bagai sung joto organization joto student you may be from different community different tribe khanani of movement of participate khagen bai sung koinai te government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung bai contact ma khainai you may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khaye nirok problem solve khai musu thangke sung bai direct contact khai di Sung ready ni tong talk ni bagai. Hai bana, our students should not be played again. Language natoi, question paper, subject natoi. Sini student natoi politics ta khai sakthang. Sini student ni future manago ta thang thang ni chung nai ge. Bon bai chung TSF, chung sring tong malia. Sini student ni duk phono goi chung baba sapika. Chung appeal khai nai. I appeal all the communities, all the political organization, NGO, social organization to be part of this movement.